Hi everybody, welcome back to Erie's channel. Today we will talk about the first part. It's for last weekend's speaking test, but I haven't did it. So now I will talking some things about this article. Same, all about Artemis 2. And this is about at like the start of this flight. And the last video we talked about what happened and what's the mission to Artemis 2. And today we will talk in 3 parts. Today I also add some extra interesting things to you. It's like a history things about just like it's really meaningful to USA. And I put them in some pictures with AI's helping. And now I will show you on my pad. This is for the first part. And you can see all these things, what happens. Wait a moment. Okay, now you could see this. This is a brief history of U.S. rockets. And in this history, that's the development of USA's rocket. We turned them into many years to apart. Okay. The first part is 1926 to 1945. In these years, the first person, Robert Goddard. I think this person is really great, and it's really helpful to USA's rocket development. The technology is from this person, and who made the first liquid fueled rocket in 1926. And the last time's part is 1946 to early 1960. During the early Cold War, it means 冷战 in Chinese meaning. And if you want to know what happens during the Cold War, you can search them online, maybe with AI's help. And they made Explorer 1 and Mariner 2. And these are the earliest rockets. Other important vehicles like Titan also improved a lot during this period. It's another kind of rocket in USA. Next time part is 1960 to 1972. There are only 12 years. USA use all the powers they can let these these scientists. They put all their energy at all to make the Saturn V. It's like a comeback to their presidents talking, because before their president told them to make their rockets development faster and faster. So in 1969, Apollo 11 successfully carried astronauts to space. That's really meaningful for a human. The next time part is 1981 to 2011. During this time, USA made the space shuttle. It's called 航天飞机, and I think it's maybe you could see the pictures on the website. And if you all like these machines about wars, you can also search them online. And 2 accidents. I'm sorry actually to hear that when I saw it. That 14 astronauts died. They lose their life. Then, this is for all the things in the first picture. And for the second picture, I could show you. Wait a moment. Okay. I make a picture also here from a website. I also search it online. It's Artemis 2. When it's going to send it to the space, it's the outside, but we can search it like the inside online. The next time part, it's 2000 to present. After that accident, USA rockets turned to commercial space, like SpaceX, and like maybe you know Musk. Musk is a really grateful person. He designed and made the reused rockets, and now the Falcon 9 rocket successfully made the first stage landing and reused, and have used in many missions. That's really amazing. And the last time part is 2020s to present. NASA has developed a space sending system, SLS, based on prepare for the Moon Living and Mars mission for ready in 2028. Maybe it's really for us, but I think it will become true not long time ago. And all these 2 pictures I will send you later. Today we don't have any notes about the article because it's really easy. And now we could answer all these after watching questions. It all includes the informations in this article. The flight will test Orion and its system for future missions that aim to land astronauts on the lunar surface again. And it will speed up from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida at around 6:24 p.m. EDT on April 1, 2026. And it's called Artemis 2 Orion spacecraft. It's the name of this spaceship. And there are 4 astronauts in this spacecraft. Red Wiseman, it's American. Victor Glover, it's the first black people of astronauts. Christina Koch, it's the first woman astronaut. Jeremiah Hansen, it's the first non-American astronaut. It's a Canadian. And who's the captain? It's Red Wiseman. I think maybe he's that tallest man in this picture. And the spacecraft will send them to space in 10 days. They will come back after 10 days. and they will splash down in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of San Diego, California on April 10, 2026. And what will they do during this trip? They'll travel in a wide loop, flying around the far side of the moon and taking a lot of important data or some beautiful pictures. And this piece of news, it's really amazing and grateful, right? And it has broken the record. And it broken the over 50 years record. And actually, there is question for you. Do you know when is the last time that astronauts went on moon? It's Apollo 17 mission. Apollo 17 mission in 1972. That's a really great and grateful historic experience. It will test Artemis 2 for its systems for future missions. It's really important for the astronauts safe and the mission. And during they splash down on the moon's base, they will test the docking in low Earth orbit. This is for the mission of Artemis 3. And these are all the answers that I told you. And now we could answer these deep thinking questions.